What's the meaning of celesta? Celesta. Celesta.
Celesta. Celesta. A celesta is a musical instrument that resembles a small piano and produces a high-pitched, bell-like sound. It has hammers that strike metal plates, similar to a glockenspiel. The celesta was invented in the late 19th century and quickly became popular in orchestral music, particularly in Christmas music. Its delicate sound has been used in compositions such as Tchaikovsky's Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy from The Nutcracker. Overall, the celesta is a unique and charming instrument that adds a magical quality to musical pieces.